Lesson 1. Present tense. Present tense is a form of tense that's used to explain something that's happening now at a specific time, but usually get used when we want to talk about fixed habits or routines that don't change. The pattern: subject plus verb 1 plus object. Now, the example for the structure: I as subject, mop as verb 1, and the floor as object. The next is lesson 2. Future tense. Future tense is a form tense that used to declare an event in the future. Now, the pattern of simple future tense: subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object for this one. And then the pattern of a future tense negative. There is subject plus will plus not plus verb plus object for this one. For another pattern of future tense interrogative, there is will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object and others. The example. From the third example, let's take the first one to see the structures. We will take school examination for next year. We as subject, will as will, take as verb 1, school examination as object, and for the next year as adverb of time. Lesson 3. Passive voice. Passive voice is a form of sentence which the subject of the sentence receives the action. Unlike an active voice, this is more focused on the object as a receiver of an action. Passive voice was made from an auxiliary verb with a past participle. The past participle is known to as verb 3. Lesson 4. Write context. Context is a type of text in English that tells a story, action, or an activity and usually tells about someone's experience. This text had a purpose to entertain the readers. Now, the generic structures. It showed about identity and knowing to as introduction part. Second, events. In this stage, it had a main story, usually included a detail of the experience. The last, as known as closing to. This part tells us about how the main story can be closed. Lesson 5. Conditional Sentence. A complex sentence that was shaped by subordinate conjunction if as known as conditional, and finally with subordinate clauses. There are the type. This is a conditional sentences type 2 pattern with the examples. And this is a conditional sentences type 3 pattern and the example.